Alexa, is it going to rain?
It's raining right now.
Alexa. Alexa. Temperature.
Right now, it's 41 degrees. Tonight, expect a low of 41 degrees.
Alexa, ask Valley Metro to locate Route 8.
I found 3 buses currently servicing Route 8. 3 are currently downtown. 3 are currently near Jefferson.
I mounted the voice system in my bag like I talked about. The speakers in the outermost portion of the pouch so that they can be easily heard by myself and anybody else. I ran the power wire through the straps and up over the shoulder to the device itself, and then I 3D designed and printed the receiver and put this magnetic receiving plate on it so that the device can just sit on my shoulder. Alexa, ask Valley Metro to locate Route 8.
I found 4 buses currently servicing Route 8. 4 are currently downtown. 4 are currently near Jefferson.
Ask Valley Metro to locate bus Route 1.
I found 2 buses currently servicing Route 1. 2 are currently downtown. 1 are currently near Jefferson.
Alexa, ask Sam for a print status.
Find a build time remaining. 13 hours. Unable to connect to user.